Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here, bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. I found some super fun goodies and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So if you're interested in seeing, just stick around and we'll jump right into it. The first thing is these. I saw these, I think, at Pier 1 for 4 of them was like 30 bucks or something. And these are glass. They're like heavy duty. So $1 a piece, you couldn't beat these mason jars. So I got 4 of these. Then I saw these cute little mason jar glasses with the straws and the chevron on the lids. I got 1 red and 1 green, and these are for my girls. My girls are older, at 13 and 17, so they can drink out of glass and they're good. They won't break them. Now for my little guy, my 5-year-old, he's obsessed with dinosaurs. You can see he already got into them and ripped some of the pages out to color. I got him this little dinosaur coloring book. And they had these super cute clipboards. They had a few different designs, but I knew that he would enjoy this one and he could just tear out the pages as he wanted and color them, which as you see, he's already done. So he's already been enjoying this. He super liked that. And then we live in Florida, for the ones that don't know, and we have a pool. So they had these pool noodles. So I got 1 for each kid, and they will definitely get a ton of use out of those. And then also for the kids, I saw these, which my little guy absolutely loves, the Despicable Me. So they had, this is a 6-pack of the Honey Graham snacks for $1. You couldn't beat that, and he absolutely loves those. Just a random pack of napkins because I just got a new napkin holder, so that I needed some of those. These I always get. This is a repeat purchase at Dollar Tree because if you get these at any of the other stores in my area, they're a few bucks a pack at least. And these are 30 and they're bigger than like at Walmart or other stores that I have found. They're just single aluminum foil sheets you pull out, use. I love them for any pan cooking. Makes for easy cleanup, and I absolutely love that. So I always get these when I go to Dollar Tree. And then I saw this. I hadn't seen this one before. This is a photo frame that says Mr. and Miss. And I don't necessarily care for the black too much, but I'm thinking that I'm going to spray paint it, and maybe I'll have a DIY coming for that. I've got an idea for that. And then I also found these, which I thought were super cute. They're dry erase magnets, and there's 3 of them. It says, when I get to it, to do, and don't forget. And I got 2 of them, 1 for me and 1 for my sister. And we absolutely love these seasoned greens, the Margaret Holmes, and at the grocery store, they only sell like the double can, the bigger can, and it's always like a little too much. So I couldn't believe I've never seen these at Dollar Tree before. So I grabbed 1 of these. And then again with the Despicable Me, my son absolutely loves them. So I got the BandAids they had, 20 for $1. You couldn't beat that, and we can always use BandAids. And then also for my little guy, I saw the Paw Patrol 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. They also had body wash, bubble bath, and I don't know, I don't remember what other kinds that they had. I was going to video in store also, and it was just so busy that I couldn't even do it. But they did have in the same spot as that, these Crayola bathtub finger paint soaps. This is in Radical Red Raspberry, and this one is in Robin's Egg Blue finger paint soap. So I thought that would be fun for the little one. And then this was just a random purchase. My girls needed deodorant, so I saw the Secret and the Suave Powder Fresh, and so I just grabbed each of them 1 of those. And then these are the Suavitel. This one I've used a ton of times. I absolutely love how this smells. I love the blue one in this also. Now this, the purple soothing lavender, I have never seen the Suavitel in, if I'm even saying that right, but I have never seen it in the purple, the lavender scent. So I wanted to grab it just to try it out because it's just a small one. This one I always get because I absolutely love it. So I just grabbed that one too. I saw this Do What You Love and Love What You Do naturally absorbent coaster. And I just got the one because I just got it for my desk, and I absolutely love the arrows and the font that's on it. And I haven't seen these before. They did have a couple other ones with a couple other different sayings on them, but this one was the one that caught my eye because I absolutely love that font, the arrows, the fake like wood super farmhouse. So that'll be perfect for my desk. And then I got a couple candles. I'm not honestly like really super huge on the candles at Dollar Tree because the ones that I seem to pick out don't ever have that great of a throw. But these ones on a cold sniff just smelled absolutely wonderful. This is the Honeydew Melon, and these are the Old Williamsburg, which any ones that I have got from there, these are the best ones. That's Honeydew Melon. And then I got Coconut Leaves, which on a cold sniff smells absolutely incredible. I can't wait to light these ones and try it. They already had a ton of fall scents out, and there were a ton of different candles. This is Sun Drenched Mango. And on a cold sniff, that one smells absolutely awesome too. So I hope that they have a super good throw because I'm a candle fanatic. I absolutely love them. And then like everybody has been hauling the pumpkins that they already have out for fall. And I went ahead and grabbed them because if you don't, anybody that shops in Dollar Tree knows that they'll get some different ones, and they'll have more, but they won't be the same ones. Like, you got to get it while the getting's good. So I went ahead. I love the all white. This one just has the brown little top and a green little leaf, little porcelain one. This one is a little more rustic looking with almost like a whitewash or distress with the metal leaf there. Super, super, super cute. This one was just plain solid, which I absolutely love that. And then this one is like the bronzed like brush with the leaf, metal leaf at the top. And I absolutely just love that. Those will look super good in an arrangement in the middle of the table. And this next item I have never seen at Dollar Tree before, so I was super excited about these. I have seen the bigger ones and mixtures of colors. I actually have some on my desk. But these little tiny ones that I have never seen before. And so for decorations, for DIYs, they'll be absolutely perfect. So there's a 6 count in each bag. I got 2 of the brown ones, and then I got 2 of the cream white color ones, and I was super excited about these. They seem like they're made really good, and those will be fun to make something with. That's everything that I got. I'm gonna check a couple more Dollar Trees in the area and see if I can find a couple other things that I'm needing for some DIYs, which will be coming soon. So stick around and subscribe so that you don't miss those future videos, and hit the thumbs up button if you super like Dollar Tree hauls, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.